Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And for today's video, I'm going to show you DIY or do-it-yourself home remedy using a baking soda. I'm going to give you some tricks or what we call beauty hacks on how we can get rid of stretch marks. I know for you women out there, some of us has this problem regarding stretch marks, especially for mom who got pregnant and have given birth. Sometimes it leaves stretch marks on the tummy, and others would have the stretch mark on the butt or on the thigh. All those girls, ladies, women out there, I hope these beauty tricks and beauty hacks will help you. Okay, so if you want to know, please keep on watching, and I hope you watch until the end of this video. Okay, so ayun na nga mga moms, mga besh, using a baking soda for our stretch mark. So, ano pang hinintay nyo? I gave 3 options using the baking soda, and sana makatulong. And kung naging effective po, like after a month of using, or even after 2 weeks or 1 week, if nagkaroon man ng effect sa inyo after you try using this do-it-yourself home remedy, please comment down below. And if you want to share other beauty tips or beauty hacks that you know, very welcome po ako sa mga suggestion, and para makatulong na din sa iba. Please guys, please share this video so madaming makaalam about this, how we can get rid of our stretch marks. Okay, so I think that's it for today, and thank you for watching. I hope you like the video. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and you may also want to hit that bell icon if you don't mind getting a notification. So see you again guys on my next videos, and of course with my upcoming videos. Thank you, and have an awesome day. Bye.